back to our channel Statisticians Hub. I, Anushwa Datta, is here again with yet another video for you all to learn LaTeX from beginning. In my last video, I have talked about text formatting on LaTeX document and also how you can add images which is required for your document. If you are writing any kind of article, journals, theses, research papers, and you want to add any kind of images, text, tables, so how you can insert it in your LaTeX document. In today's video, we will talk about how to create a list, ordered list, unordered list, and also how you can add a nested list in your LaTeX document. I'm sure you have heard about all these kinds of lists in writing any of your projects in your schools and colleges, in your in a Word document what you use regularly. So today I will share everything, all this kind of list, but how you can do it in your LaTeX document. So come, let's start today's video and let us learn how to add and do all of this in our LaTeX document, which will definitely benefit us. And you can also add these things that how to create a list and everything in your writing your research articles. I'm sure it is going to help you. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's start with unordered list. Before that, we will just add another section here. I'll name it as report on data science, and then how to add an unordered list. So for that we will add similarly like other codes. We will give begin and end code /begin and then in the curly braces we will give itemize. So as soon as I press on itemize, it will give me begin and end code of itemize, and in between we have another separate line here, that's item, and in that item we will write the pointers we want in a report of data science, suppose. So I'll just start with why data science is important. Again, if I want to add another item, I'll just press same /item and then start writing my list. So the next pointer I want is, suppose, history of data science. Next pointer if I want to add, suppose, again I'll add item and then I'll start writing the list name. So here I want as suppose future of data science. Let's check with these three items and how they are added in an unordered list. Let's press on recompile and check what is the output. So as you can see, a separate section has been created on report on data science, and these are the unordered list. You can see it in the bullet points. I have here added 3 items, that means 3 listings, and in the output window as well, in the output document, you can see the 3 pointers. So let's learn how to add an ordered list now. For ordered list, I'm just typing here ordered list, and similarly of unordered list, here also we have begin and end code. So we'll just type slash begin and I'll press enter, whichever is suggesting here. And in the braces, we have to write enumerate. As soon as I press on this, I will have my begin and end enumerate code, and in between that we have our item sentence here. So this after slash item, we have to write the name or the list what we want to add in our ordered list. Suppose we want to write what all analysis is used in data science to study the data. So suppose I'm writing descriptive analysis, so that is descriptive analysis is one. Second item, if I want to add, same way I will write slash item, and then I'm writing diagnostic analysis, diagnostic analysis. Third, if I want to add another analysis, I will write it as predictive analysis. And there are many more. I'm just writing this 3 and I'll press on recompile to check what is my output. So as you can see, in ordered list, the bullets are changed from in numbers 1, 2 and 3, and in ordered list we have bullets, in unordered list we have bullet points, and in ordered list we have the numbering in 1, 2, 3 format. And you can add more you want to add in this, and it will show in your LaTeX document. In this way you can add your unordered list to your LaTeX document. We have seen till now how to add an unordered and ordered list to your LaTeX document. Now let's talk about nested list. So I'm just writing here nested list. Nested list is nothing but a combination of ordered and unordered list. So to learn how to add a nested list, we'll just first start with the same thing that we have done with ordered and unordered list before, that is slash begin command, and in the braces, begin curly braces, we will give the name of this as enumerate. So first we'll add an ordered list, and then in between this ordered list we will add our unordered list. So let's say in the ordered list what we have given the analysis. So data science is used for, suppose I'm writing the items, this is I've given as my ordered list item, and here again I will start my unordered list. So I will write it as begin, same, and I will write for unordered list what I write, items. And here what will come is considered as my unordered list. So I'm just copying this 3 names, this 3 kind of analysis which is used for data science, and I'm pasting it here. And similarly, this 3 will come as my unordered list here. This is my ordered list, and this end item is the end of my unordered list. Suppose again here I want to add another item in my ordered list. This is the first one, and here I want to add the second one. Suppose I'm writing it as item and an item, and I'm writing data science techniques. What all the techniques are applied in data science, and then again I will write for on unordered list slash begin in the braces itemize, and in this item I'll write the item names as suppose classification. Second item I want to add is regression, and the third item that I want to add in this unordered list is say clustering. So as you can see, this whole code is my nested list command or code. I have started with begin enumerate. This is an ordered list. This is the first ordered list item, and in between this ordered list I have generated a unordered list with these 3 items, and the next again this one is an ordered list, and in between this data science technique ordered list I have created this unordered list, and I have ended this unordered list, and similarly I have ended this ordered list. Now let's press on recompile and check what is the output. Yes, so as you can see here, this data science used for have 3 unordered lists which have came in bullet points, and the second ordered list, that is 1, this is data science used was the first one, and this data science technique is the second one, and these 3 are again the unordered list. So nested list is nothing but a combination of ordered and unordered list. I hope you have understood in this video how to create a list first, and then separately unordered list, ordered list I have explained, and how you can incorporate it in your documents along with the nested list. Thank you for watching our video till the very end of it. I'm sure you have learned something, and if you have liked this video and think it can be helpful to your friends and colleagues, please don't forget to share it. Also subscribe our channel Statisticians Hub for more such contents. Thank you and stay tuned.